Ching chang walla walla bang bang.
丽莎的学习乐园。Wow, Elsa's just so beautiful. I want to dress like Elsa too. Oh, I'm Elsa. Oh, I have powers. Oh, wow. But I don't want to hurt anyone. What should I do? I need a pair of gloves. Mommy, I need a glove.
But we don't have any gloves at home, my darling.
We can draw it.
Yes, good idea. Maybe we can draw
Draw it.
one. Okay. All right, let's get started. Right, Elisa.
Yeah.
Now we are going to draw a
Elsa.
glove, like Elsa's glove. Yeah? Okay, first of all, we need to put our hands on top of the paper like this. And then we're just gonna go over our hands, okay? We need to use a pencil. Just get the shape of the hands. Then later we're going to rub it off, okay? The trick is I want you to use the pencil like in almost like a vertical direction, okay? Not like that. I want you to hold your pencil like this and just go over your hands, okay? Alright, we're just gonna stop in here. I'm going to go over the shape I just drawn with the pencil, okay? Just to make it a more visible. And try to draw as smooth and straight as possible. If you draw from the top to the bottom, it will be better, okay? Try to get the line as straight as possible. If you can't do it super straight, that's okay.
I can't do it super straight.
Yeah, that's okay. Just try to do it as straight as possible, okay? We just wanted to smooth out those sharp lines we just draw. Okay, now since we're going to draw gloves, then we're going to extend from both sides, okay? We're going to extend. And at the bottom, we're going to draw a curved line, okay, like that. We're going to draw a curved line. So hand shape is ready. So this is a glove, okay? Now we're going to put some decorations on top of the gloves, okay? In the middle, okay, I'm going to draw a circle first. So I'm going to draw a circle, okay? And then underneath the circle, I'm going to draw a very sort of long oval shape, but it's long, okay, with two ends, two narrow ends. Okay, so underneath, I'm going to write a 3, okay? Okay, a 3. From this end, I'm going to draw another 3. Okay, then I'm going to draw a moon shape. No, actually, it's like a smile face. It's like a smile. Okay. Alright, I'm going to draw another circle just underneath. Okay, and up here, I'm going to draw 2 little circles. And another 2 big sort of elongated oval shape on the side. Into this one. You just need to draw this circle a little bit up here, okay? Good. I'm going to draw another little circle underneath. Okay. I'm going to draw 2 lines. Okay, it's curved line, one to the left, one to the right. And I'm going to do another same 2 curved lines underneath, and you're going to connect. Okay, I'm going to draw a circle on the side. I'm going to draw 2 of this shape. Okay, one on this side and one on this side. And I'm going to draw 2 circles underneath. So I just do draw the 2 circles on both sides of this thing I just drawn. Okay, I'm going to use this marker to go over what I've just drawn. And then later on I need to rub off the pencil lines, okay? Okay. Now we're going to rub off the pencil lines we just drawn, okay? So we're going to use a light blue and a dark blue, okay? With the dark blue, we're just going on these decorations on the gloves. The light blue, we're just going to on the background, okay? Look, my darling, now we have a pair of gloves, but they're not real. I think maybe if you make a wish, something magical will happen. Do you want to give a go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hold up the papers, close your eyes, and let's count. 3, 2, 1.
I wish I have a pair of Elsa gloves.
You can open your eyes now.
Oh, my dream come true.
Yes, your dream come true. That's so cool. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked what we've shared today, please follow us on Alisa's Learning Hub, and let's make all our dreams come true. See you next time.